Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create a check mark in Word for Mac. I am using Windows but guys method is similar. You can use this method in Mac. So to insert check mark there are some way. Go on insert, then symbol, more symbols. In this list you have to find out Windings, and here you will see this checkbox. Select it, then insert. There is a check mark without box. Select it, then insert. You can use this character code 252. Close it. You can change size so how and make it larger. And also guys, there are another way. Click on File, Options, then click on Custom Ribbon. Then guys, check this developer, then click on OK. Now click on this developer tab. Now select checkbox content control. So just check it and uncheck. So this way guys you can create a check mark in Word for Mac. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.